welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. I have great announcements. For starters, I have a new backdrop coming down this weekend, and I have brand new lighting for my room. I actually went out and bought the professional lighting. I did not get a ring light. I got umbrella lights, but still the professional lighting. I'm really excited to share that with y'all. Right now, I have a surprise. I have my first Yes, Oh Yes subscription. I do not know how much Yes, Oh Yes is. And I probably should have looked. I want to say it's like $18 a month, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% certain. I will put the information down in the comment box below because I really don't know. And as you can see, well, without sharing my address, I haven't gotten into the box yet. I got it yesterday on my way to work. I checked the mail and voila, there it was. I was like, yay! So I'm excited to share this with y'all. This is a brand new subscription to my channel, and we're going to try to get into it. Okay. I did not see spoilers on this because I didn't want to see spoilers because I wanted to see what I would get. So let's see. Okay, this is interesting. As far as what I've seen from other people's channels with Yes, Oh Yes, you kind of just get a variety of things. Name brand at that. I mean, from what I've seen in the past. Again, I don't know what's in this box, but let's look together. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing is a 4HD sleek eyeliner by Double Dare, and I'll show that to you. You guys can see that. I don't know what this is. Let's look. Oh, that's cool. It's like a pen. It's a very fine tipped eyeliner. Let's see how, let's test it on my hand. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. I don't have much of a steady hand right now. That's pretty. I like that. I was at work all day, so I'm really tired. Forgive me, I've been up since like 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm tired. You'll have to forgive me. Okay, I'm gonna close that back up. Okay, so we got that. That is cool. Let me shove that, put that over there. The next thing I see is the Stix Cosmetics lipstick in cinnamon. I've never heard of this brand. I don't even know that you can see that. I think the sun's kind of just like, there you go, cinnamon. I think the sun's kind of washing it out. I have my windows open. I'm just using natural lighting today. Okay. I did work today, but I am changed into a regular t-shirt because I needed to wear something comfortable. I didn't want to wear my scrubs because they're kind of boring. So let's look at this lipstick. Oh, this is Mosquito. I have seen this lipstick design before. Whether it was with Yes, Oh Yes, I don't remember, but that's pretty nifty. Oh, I like that, the way it comes up like that. That's cool. And then you just twist it and it'll come out. That's pretty. Let's see what that looks like swatched. I would actually wear that color if y'all can see that. It's kind of like a cinnamon color. Hence the name. Cinnamon, dumbass. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, shit. I'm going to ruin it. Hold on. Okay, so I like that. That's an interesting lipstick, and I love that color. It's like a muted brown almost. The next thing is, my bag is all jacked up. I'm sorry. It's by Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Longwear Eye Pencil. Okay. It is an eye pencil. I don't know that this is one that I have to sharpen, which I'm not crazy about sharpening eye pencils, but hey, I'll try anything. I don't care. We'll see. And eventually I'll get into this and show y'all what it is, maybe. Okay, yeah, that did not go over so well. This says it's an eye pencil, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's purple. Deep violet. Ooh, that sounds cool. Let's see. This is not the ones you have to sharpen, or is it? Yeah, it is like a wooden pencil. See, it's like a pretty violet. We'll see what that looks like on my hand as well. Shit. Pardon me for all the young people watching my channel. It's like a purple, violet, dark purple eyeliner. That's pretty. That would go really pretty to smoke out an under eye with a purple look. That's pretty. I like that. And that is by Bodyography in Deep Violet Longwear Eye Pencil. It is made in San Diego. I know nothing about it. That's the color. If you can't really see it, it's beautiful. I like that. I like that a lot. It's 2 eyeliners that I've got. The next thing is another lip product. Whoa. By Sorme, possibly. Sorme. I could very well just be butchering that all to hell. It's called Nonstop Liquid Lipstick in Orchid. That is pink. That is almost a scary, out of my comfort zone pink. Let's look at it and see what it looks like, shall we? And for those of you that don't know, yes, my allergies are acting up again. I cycle like that through my allergies. They come, they go. Welcome to Texas. State of the, you never know what the allergies are going to do to you kind of state. But when you're a native, as am I, the allergies kind of just, whatever, they just do what they're going to do. Let's swatch this and see what this one looks like next. So far I've gotten 2 lip products, and 2 eye pencils in. Smells good. Okay, yeah, that's way out of my comfort zone pink. But I could probably mute that down with something. I could probably put that over like a red maybe, or I don't know. I'd find something to do with it. It's pretty though. It's just way out of my comfort zone, but I can test my limits every now and then. The last thing I got in here... No, there's 2 more things I got in here. Okay, this is called Annette 69 Beauty Creations. It is a eyeshadow palette. It comes with 12 mattes, and it appears to be 4 shimmers or 11 mattes and 5 shimmers. I'm not sure. I don't know, but it is a cruelty-free company, or it's a cruelty-free product, so let's look at it. Okay, Annette 69. It's got a bunch of little aliens on it. That's cute. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm not going to swatch this, but I will show you. Wow. That, you can see the colors. That is gorgeous. I love that. Right there. That is beautiful. I have to swatch it just because I think it's so pretty. Let's see. It's called Boss. That's got some pretty good payoff. And there's not a lot of there's no fallout. At least not that I can see, no. Let me do some of the shimmers. That's Hustle. That is straight up paint, glitter, man. This one's called Believe, which is a pink one. That's gorgeous. 951, which is that gold one right there. And 420, hey, which is right there. And we're going to do the last shimmer that I see here, which is called Leo, which is right here. That's gorgeous. I don't know if they're trying to compete with Jeffree Star or what, like his alien palette, but this palette is pretty. I'll definitely be using that palette. I like it. I like it a lot. That's really pretty. I'm going to put some hand sanitizer in my hands. Get my hands cleaned up because I have 2 other videos to do. Yes, I have 2 other unboxings for y'all, so I'm not going to be doing it on this video. I'll be doing it on the next 2 videos. So be sure you look out for them. It's going to be the Glossy box and my Allure Beauty box with a Huda Beauty collaboration. So be sure you stay tuned to that. But I'm not quite done with this one. I got to finish showing you the rest of it. I'm sorry. I thought I was done, and I'm not. I'm a dummy. Okay, it says, reach for the stars. Yes, oh yes. That is their theme. It says, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes. Receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months. Your monthly savings are 89% off retail. Discover the goodness inside. Hashtag yes, oh yes. Again, I don't know what this went for monthly. I don't remember, and that's pretty bad. I should have looked at that before I did the video, but I didn't. I'm sorry. Last thing I got was, I got a mask. I love sheet masks. This is the Timeless Beauty Bar Hydrating and Refreshing Up in the Clouds sheet mask. I like that. And this is also cruelty free, it says in the back. It says it right there. No testing on animals. Right there. So I'll put that down here in my sheet mask drawer. Because yes, I have a drawer full of sheet masks. Literally. Alright guys. So if you want to keep watching these videos, be sure you hit like and subscribe. And become a Cuban Beauty member today. And alright beauties. I'm going to move on, and I'm going to go into the next video. So be sure you watch. And again, hit like and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you don't like the video, or you didn't find it really interesting, give it a thumbs down. Doesn't matter. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I got lots of views, but no thumbs up or thumbs down. So let's see what's going on, guys, okay? And remember, 800 subs. The Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette is up for grabs, guys, but we got to hit 800. Help me reach 800. Tell your mamas, tell your grandmas, tell your cousins, tell your brother's girlfriends, your whatevers. let's get this going. Or even your boyfriends or grandmas or grandpas, whatever. Somebody might find me interesting. I don't know. Doubtful, but whatever. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Besos.